Hi guys, our ICS project is to integrate GUI in the chat system, and it also has some functions to send images and emojis. First, let me show you a video about it. So first you start a server and then you log into a client. We have two clients logged in and you can use the functions to play with the machine. So you see appear in the who is online and you connect to her. So you can start chatting now. See, you can send some emojis from the computer files. But it has some problems with the GIF that it can move. So first, let me introduce the layout. So first you will see the login page. Here we used some widgets to build up the login window. First we set a white frame in order to push other widgets in the middle. A text widget to enter your name is put under it. When you click the button, it will call the callback function login. I didn't put a function here, but it will mainly get your name from the input and enter a login page, and finally a chatting page. When the welcome page pops out, it will reset all the widgets, which means all the items will be destroyed, and we set up a new some new widgets, and a text with the welcome message will be showed on the window. So after about 1.8 seconds, you will be shown the chatting page, where we also clear all the items and set up the widgets for the chatting interface. In this interface, we set 3 bars, one demonstration box to show all the messages from you and your peers, and another is input box where you can type your messages. Also, there are 2 buttons to send the tags and images. We'll first discuss the function to send text. What's worth noting here is that we put a scroll bar on the right side of the demonstration box, so when there are a lot of messages, you can just scroll down to see all the history. The next is the very important function of send messages. It is from the aspect of the sender. So when you click the send button after you put some messages in your input box, this send message function will be called, and if it's not an image, the text will be directly inserted after the output box, and after the message is shown on the screen, your input will be deleted and you can type another message again. So the next is the push message function, which is from the receiver side. So if you want to see what others sent you, you just call this push message function. And next is how to achieve sending image from the local. So If user wants to send a picture, he can click the Select Picture button beside the Send button. From the sender side, when you click the Send Picture button, the Select Picture function will be called. The Ask Open File Name method in File Dialog module will return a string of the picture's path, and we store it in the self-new message copy. Also, we limit the picture formats to PNG, GIF, and JPG only, and append it to the image dictionary. This image open is from Pillow module, and it creates a place for the image to be shown. And we also resize the picture in order to fit the limited frame of GUI. At first, the picture was very fuzzy, and we did some search and found out we should use this anti-alias method to make the picture smooth. Lastly, the photo image in image TK will show the image, and it will appear in the window of the client who sends the image by image create method. And then we go back to the receiver side, back to this push message function, and when the receiver receives a message that is detected as an image using the first if statement here, it will do a similar process as in the sender's window, where the image is appended to the receiver's image dictionary and show it with a series of image open, photo image, and image create functions and methods. And lastly, same as the text, empty the server message, which refers to the messages from others. This chat system still needs to be improved. Like what you see in the video, the GIF you send cannot move, but we didn't have time to fix that. Actually, I did some research but didn't get a good answer, and it seems it's a very common problem. But still, I tried some methods and it still doesn't work. Hope we will find out with some study on this further.